What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode in the garage space, as we call it. I'm here today with my 8080 shirt on. No, I'm not promoting. I just like the shirt. And we had a Passat. I think this is a Passat. A Passat. No, wait. I don't know what it is. Anyways, we have a Volkswagen here. And I'm putting bags on it. It's a nice little wrap color. Looks like champagne, but I'm pretty sure it's called something else. If you're a rap guy, you would know the color, and you can just put it in the comments like, oh yeah, that's this, whatever. Looks like dirt. Anyways, this is the car. Quick rundown. This is the rear. We had took the shock out, which was like one bolt at the bottom. It was like a 21 and some 16s at the top, and then it had these two like shocks in those cups. Super simple install. So I'm giving you the time of day to watch it with me. But before we cut to this cutscene, that, my friends, was an 18. This was a 21, and those were some 16s. Easy peasy. So what we have today, right here, as we talked about, is a bag install. Air suspension bags. I don't know if you know what it is, if you're just here because you got one of these, because I'm going to put what it is in the title. But we have bags, Airlift only. We have some K-Sport coilovers in there right now. I'm about to take those out, but you know, I took those ones out already. Put these Airlift ones in. And Airlift in the back. Now, if you don't know Air, I do bag installs like every week. It's kind of tiring at this point. But if you ever go bags, I don't care what bags you get, make sure you getting this Airlift 3P. P stands for pressure. You get it? Because it's air, pressure, air. Yeah. So Airlift 3P, it's the best one. Comes with a controller, and it's literally like, oh look, here you go. It comes with a controller right here, and then there's like a mobile app, so you can download an app and have it on your phone. Mind you, I'm not getting paid for this. This is just raw. Airlift is literally the best when it comes to like, you're new to air and if you want something super simple, easy to understand, Airlift. And look, they even have tech support. Like, come on, hey, I'm having trouble, ring ring ring, tech support, because after you leave here, you can only hit me up on IG, and I might have to charge you because this is a business. But skip to what we're really talking about, the air install. As you saw in the back, quick and easy, 2 bolts, 3, 4 bolts in the back, takes out the back. You swap the bags in. I'm gonna show you the fronts real quick. Yes, we are in my kitchen. Yes, there's mad stuff up there, who cares? But here are the front bags. So we got 2 bags. These are called leader lines. We got 1/4 inch fittings because you only need 1/4 inch unless you got a big ass car or a heavy engine like an Acura TSX or something. They usually have like sleeve bags where it like slides down, and it takes a lot of air to get in there, so you might need a little extra air to get in here. But these doubles, 1/4 works perfectly fine because it will air up quick. Got a water trap here. When air comes from those into the tank and we suck it from the tank to the bags, this is in between to make sure no water gets in your stuff. I was gonna say something else, but this is PG rated. So, as you can see in my beautiful kitchen, we have mocked up this mat onto this wood. Yeah, I know y'all like the wood. Nice wood. And then I guess he got it powder coated, this tank. It doesn't feel like paint, maybe powder coat. And we got two black compressors. So 2 compressors make it fill up faster. You don't need 2. It makes it better, but you don't need to. So basically you get it done half the time. And it looks more, what's that word? Symmetrical. It looks symmetrical. So we about to skip back outside. I need to take the fronts off the car and put those bags on. So once I do that, we'll be back and I'll give you a brief rundown of how I got these 3 bolts in and the 1 bolt at the bottom out. And just, you know, we'll snap back. So let's go put these bags in. We returned. Co-host Anthony over here, look a little dark in that filter. But before I take this front back off, because I put one of the bags on, they're good, don't worry, it's on the floor, who cares, it's not moving, it's good. I put this bag on right here, and it's kind of shorter than the coilover. So mind you, bro had factory suspension on. You'll be like, where should I adjust it to? But this, he already had coilovers on, so he already had the car low. He just wanted to go lower. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna match these 2 up to the same height. That way, when the bag squishes, it's like it was where he was when he had coilovers, and we're gonna squish it a teeny bit past that. That way, it's sitting down. Because if not, he's gonna be riding low all the time, and it's gonna be trash. We don't want that. So let me show you this for you Volkswagen guys. You're gonna have your strut or whatever, and it has 3 bolts on the top. On the bottom, there's this bolt. Looks like this. You may or may not have this socket or whatever. So what I do, because it's gonna sit like this, right? And then on the back side, there's gonna be an 18. What you do is you get some pliers, which I can't reach because they're over there. And you just grab it, like put one of the pliers right here and grab it like this. Look, this guy coming through, clutch. If you don't have the tool, because I usually never do, who cares? You just grab it like this. Do you see how firm that is? And your gun, it only works if you have a gun, because I don't use hand tools because I got guns. But you hold it like this just so it stays still, and in the time that you hold it like that and you hit it with the gun, it'll take it off. And then it goes right here, right about here. You just pull it out, right? Boom. Put it on the ground, put that on the ground. And you see this right here? This is a shock spreader tool. Got it off Amazon. If I can find the link, I will link you it, but let me zoom in. This item right here, shock spreader tool. You see it's like a little oval. You put it in the crack, and when you turn it, it'll do this. And it'll spread it open, and then the shock will just drop down. If you're ever working on a Volkswagen, Audi, any of those European ones, just invest in one of these spreaders, or get somebody to do it who has one. You put it in between the little crack in the back. Let me find it, crack kills. And then you just crank the shit. So, now I got it. You put it in there. Alright, get it in the crack and then you turn it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, do you see it drop down? Boom. Shock spread. And if you didn't notice, it dropped down. I got the jack under there to catch it because I didn't need it to drop all the way down. But if it had the factory one in there, you probably need to push it all the way down. And there's 3 bolts on the bottom. If it was too long, you take those 3 bolts off and kind of push this whole thing to the side and take that bottom bracket and move it down. That way it give you like extra room. But since it already had coilovers on there, so we're shortened already. Here's the bag, which was even shorter because it's going to expand and stuff like that. So that's how you get it down. Take the bolt off, spread it apart, it drops down. Check in on the bag situation. everything is like good to go. So close the garage. For some reason, it is like May 8th, maybe later. Anyways, it's freezing outside. I don't get it. It's like 40 degrees, but we had to close the garage. Back bags are on. I'm pretty sure you can see that. Easy breezy. And we had changed out the front bags the way I told you to. Hold on, let me get you a light. It's kind of dim on the low side. All right, so this is the front bag just sitting in there. Here's the line, and then I got the hose actually coming out right there. Also, I ran the wires under the car, this car, because it has a lot of plastics on the inside. That pearl is something crazy. But yeah, here's the front bag. Here is the Airlift controller right here. I already ran the fuse to that. And the back bag with a little bit of light. If you saw that hose, that was the exhaust. I have to zip tie it up. And then we have the management right here where all the lines and hoses ran. So in our little flash away, I most definitely ran everything for the car. Only thing left for the car right now is to put the trunk in, plug it up to the compressors and let it come on and run. But I'm waiting because when you do these like laminate floors or whatever, you really have to let the glue dry. Because I tried to move, well, I moved it earlier, did the whole thing, but this piece right here snapped off. So I had to re-glue it with double the amount of glue so that it'll stay, because if you look on the back side, hella glue. But if you touch, well, it's not even dry all the way, honestly. So I could try to move it in there right now. It'll be a little sketch, or I can wait. So currently, that's where we are on this. But it looks pretty clean. It's a mess in the kitchen, but as far as the setup goes, it is pretty clean. All right, check it out, we're back. I know it's a little dark over in that direction. It's night outside, but I got the garage open because bro's picking up his car. But check it out. I went ahead and put the wheels back on, calibrated it, aired it out, and it's pretty fucking sexy. I mean, if you asking me, I did a fucking good job. Look at that. So yeah, look at that. Air it out on Airlift 3P, Airlift bags. You need a full view right here. You really can't beat that. And you could be next. Just, you know, all you gotta do is hit me up on IG if you live in the area. I've honestly, let me turn towards the light. I've honestly had people drive like 5 hours to come to my house to have me work on their cars, and you could be next. Just hit me up and I'll set you up an appointment. Like, just pull up and we could get busy. Like, this is a 1 day. He paid for 1 day service. So 1 day plus the trunk setup and a second compressor. And I made it all happen right here. It's pretty lit. Check it out. Let me see if I can get it to do a nice little air up. Air up. Oh, yeah. You see the air up? All right, and then check the air down. Air out. And that's your air out. Yeah. We did that. Sanders install, Sanders garage. Just follow me on IG. It's right here. It's right here. Just add me. Set your appointment up. Or just follow me for more. And before this battery dies, because I see it blinking, I'm not going to act like I don't see it blinking. We're on the road to 10K. You don't see the Supra. I hope I posted the other video. The car got repoed. If you didn't see it, it's right here. Or it's coming to be right here soon. But thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit me on IG. And, oh yeah, check out the Free the Supra t-shirts. I got a website running. We're full-time working on cars now, posting videos like this. Hashtag Free the Supra is a thing going on IG. If you don't know, go look at my latest reel. You'll find out why, the tragic story of my Supra. But hashtag Free the Supra on my Instagram. And check out my website, Sandersthagod.com. There's some good merchandise on there and more to come. So thanks for watching. You guys have a beautiful day, and stay lit.